Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to turn on my captions here. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some important vocabulary that's going to be in this unit. So I'm going to go through it with you specifically because there is something that I want to point out. A few things I want to point out actually. So it's always good when I get to explain the vocabulary, pronounce it to you, and you can go back and look at this video later on. All right, bueno, so vamos a empezar con centro comercial, el centro comercial, which is a mall. So if you were to translate this, it would be commercial center, which we call a mall. So el centro comercial. Remember that you can fill out your guided notes while you do this to help you remember these words. Then we have la tienda, which is a store. La tienda. Then we have ir de compras, which is to go shopping. So that's ir de compras. Now, ir, we already know that verb, right? That is a verb that we reviewed. So let's real quick just skip to the next slide so we can look. So when we talk about ir de compras, we're talking about to go shopping, right? So blank de compras, we can fill it with different forms of ir. So voy de compras is I go shopping. Vas de compras, you go shopping. Va de compras, he or she goes shopping. Vamos de compras, we go shopping. And van de compras, they go shopping. All right, now we're going to go back to our PowerPoint here. All right, so pagar is to pay. That one is just a regular verb. So pago, pagas, paga, pagamos, and pagan. So I, you, he or she, we, and they pay. And then we have el precio, which is the price. Cuánto cuesta, which is how much does it cost. Cuánto cuestan is how much do they cost. So think about cuesta versus cuestan, kind of like how we do gustar, right? Gusta versus gustan. And I'll show you a separate video about that. Now, cuesta means it costs, or cuestan, they cost. So think about cuánto cuesta, how much does it cost? The answer to it would be cuesta blank. El dinero is money. El dólar is dollar. El centavo is cent. We'll learn about other monedas or other currencies later on in a cultural lesson, but right now, the most common that you'll be talking about in the US is dólar and centavo. All right, that was our short video on pronunciation and vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next video to go over some other parts of this lesson. Adios, you guys.